about types of plant, that is herb, shrub and tree, and plant system. In that the root system we have studied. Let's continue with the lesson.
Types of roots. There are mainly two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. First we will see taproot. When a single root comes out from the seed, it is called taproot. The main root is called primary root. Small branches comes out from the primary roots, which are called as secondary roots. The primary root is thicker and secondary roots are thinner. Example, mango. Next is fibrous root. When thin and fiber-like root grow from the base of the stem, it is called fibrous roots. These roots spread out in all directions but do not grow deeper into the soil. Tell me example. Very good. Sugarcane. Next is modification of roots for specific purpose. First one is storage of food. There are many roots that store extra food such as carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip and sweet potato. Plant use this food when it is required. These are also known as vegetables. Next is support. Root also provide support to the plant. According to this, they are divided into two types, climbing roots and prop roots. First one is climbing roots. Roots of some plants help them to climb up a support such as wall, rock or tree. These are called climbing roots. Example, money plant. Next is prop roots. Roots of a few plants develop extra roots as branches. These grow downwards and give extra support to the stem and act as a pillar. These are called as prop root. Example, banyan tree. Next is for nourishment. Few plants are parasitic in nature. They depend upon the host plant for their food and water. They have developed roots to absorb water and nutrients from the host plant. These roots are called as parasitic roots. Examples, dodder and hydnora. Next is for vegetative propagation. Roots of a few plants develop into new plants. These are called as reproducing roots. For example, dahlia and asparagus. Next is for respiration. There are certain plants which grow in marshy areas near the sea coast. The soil in these areas is less airy and contain less amount of oxygen. Hence, the roots grow upward to trap oxygen from the air for respiration. These are called as pneumatophores. Example, sundari and mangroves. Next is shoot system. All the parts of a plant that are above the soil come under the shoot system. First one is stem. The part of the plant which rises vertically up from the ground is called stem. The stem supports its branches and other parts of the shoot system like leaves, flowers and fruits. The stem is called trunk in case of trees. Most of the trees' trunk are covered with barks. The bark protects the inner part of the tree. The main functions of stem are: first one, it holds the plant upright and it bears leaves, flowers, buds and fruits. It carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves and other parts of the plant through some narrow tubes, xylem and phloem. Xylem supply water and minerals from the roots to the leaves and other parts of the plant, and phloem transports food prepared by the leaves to roots and other parts of the plant. Stem holds the leaves in such a way that leaves get enough sunlight for photosynthesis, and stem bears the weight of the plant. Stem has nodes and internodes which give rise to leaves. The area between two nodes is called internode.